In this video, I'll show you the best way on how you can make money online without investment in 2019 and 2020. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to make more money, you want to become successful, but you don't have money to invest because maybe you don't have a job, you don't have a business, or maybe you are just young, a student, or maybe you don't want invest money because you don't trust the process. So in this video, we show exactly how you can make more money with literally zero investment. You just need a little bit of time and this great strategy, but you will invest $0. And there is pretty much an unlimited potential earning. So this strategy I've seen from a page from Italy about fitness and health, and I want to explain to you this business model and how you can model this strategy and make money too. But before to start, you don't need any money. You just need two things. Patience, yes, because it will take few months. You cannot pretend that you will become successful and rich in few days. And then you need to never give up. You need to have the never give up mentality. Every day work on this goal and you will see that you will find success. And the strategy is pretty much this one. You create an Instagram page about a topic that you like, something that you enjoy. For example, for me, it can be business. I can create an Instagram page around business, where I share all business tips, image about motivation, image about successful business owners, quotes, and all this sort of stuff. But make sure that you are really passionate about the topic, because if not, you will lose motivation and you will never succeed with that page. I have done this mistake. I've created few Instagram pages with something that is not that I like, is not in my niche, is not something that I'm passionate. And after a few months, I have lost the motivation and I have pretty much lost all the pages. I have not posted, and now the number of followers is really going down. So once you choose your niche, you need to create content, create a ton of content from 3 to 5 posts every day, and then a ton of stories, so you can have the chances to reach more people. And you can create your Instagram post on canva.com. It's a website really easy if you don't want to use Photoshop or if you don't know how to use it. And even if you want to invest $0, this is a completely free tool that you can create Instagram posts to share images, write text, and all this stuff. But make sure to never do follow, unfollow, like for like, or all this stuff, because you need real people. You cannot just have maybe 1,000 followers but they are not active, because this strategy will never work. You need to post high quality content so the people that see your page, they want to follow your page, they want to like that page because of the content, because the content is great. And you will see later that you cannot create this strategy to make money without investment using these follow strategies or maybe engagement groups or some other stuff. You need to create true fans of your work, of your images, of your topic. So once you do this, you will do it until you reach maybe 500 or 1,000 followers. You need few months, I think, and a lot of patience and a lot of good content. But at the end, this work will take you maybe 30 minutes a day. Just create 4 posts and post on Instagram. It's not a big amount of time. So even if you go to school or even if you are working a 9 to 5, this is a really great side job idea that you can do on your own when you're at home or at the evening, or even when you are maybe at school that you have a break of 30 minutes or lunch break, you can do your work there. So as I said before, once you reach 500 to 1,000 real followers that want to see your content, that are really passionate about your content, create a Telegram group. You will create a Telegram group and promote that group on that page. And you will see that a lot of people will join that group, because you will say that in that group you will share tips, you will answer questions, and you will pretty much help other people to achieve the goals that they want. For example, in business, you can say that you help people maybe to start their own business, or you give tips on how they can improve their business, or just little stuff. But make sure that people want to join that group. Make that group valuable. And you will pretty much create a community around your topic in that Telegram group. It's something private, but it's something exclusive, but everybody can join that group. For example, then you will go on your Instagram page and promote that group as something special, and people will expect that it costs money. But then when they will discover that it's completely free, they will join the group and share stuff and ideas with other people, and you are the owner of that group, so you can post anything that you want. And here is the making money strategy. Now that you have your group, maybe let's say with 100 100 people passionate about business. You go on a website, on a store that sells something around your niche. In fitness, for example, I have seen this example from the page of Italy, and it's pretty much that they create that they went on a supplement store online. It can be anything, but make sure to find a really useful and great website where you can pretty much share your products and earn a commission. And by doing this, you will go there, you will find something that will help people inside the group, you will find offers, you will give them discounts, and every link that you put in that group, it's affiliate. So every person that click that link and buy something, you will earn a commission. And there is no a gap. You can earn thousands and thousands of dollars. Everything depends of how many people there are on that group, because maybe not everybody in the group will buy. But if you are doing a good job, if you are really engaging, and if you write in that group every day, you will see that a lot of people will follow your steps and will buy you the product that you suggest, and you will earn big commissions. And be sure to give a ton of value to these people inside the group, so they will stay in the group, stay active, and really listen and read to everything that there is in that group. So you're sure 100% that you will make money with zero investment, with zero money, without anything. And by the way, you can do it all around the world. You can work from home, you can work from wherever you want. And then make sure, as I said before, to promote that group on the page as something exclusive, as something that it is a next level. Maybe you will post a screenshot of that group in the Instagram stories with a swipe up link that they can maybe enjoy the group or some other stuff. You will create a second group, a mentor group, or something really special, but it's free. So a lot of people will join in that group and see your offers. And if you don't have any skill and you are interested to make more money, watch this next video right here, because I've created for people that don't have any skill but they want to make some good money online. I'll see you there.